because of them. And I wanna, also tonight, I wanna honor all my former managers. Sakit sa ulo. Mga galit sa akin. Then, yung mga managers ko, my former label, EMI Philippines. All the crew, I gave you such a hard time. I'm really sorry. I hope you guys forgive me. Hug later. Okay? Most of all, I'm here to honor the people who played beside me from the very beginning. Chavi Rumawak, Jesse Hoover, Rico Blanco, who was one point a member of the band. Kakaki Sumbin, who I hear now plays for True Faith. Jal Tagibaw, who, yeah, I guess he's in school. And Mitch Singson. So if you are friends with any of them, please tell them, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart, please tell them that I pray for their success, their happiness. And please tell them I wish them all well. I don't see them. So, see them, parang, oy, kamusta ka raw? So, yun lang. Maraming salamat po. Kami magpapaalam muna ngayong gabi at babalik kami in 11 days. So, abangan nyo na lang. Huwag tayong gumamit ng internet. Maglagay tayo parang yung sa mga poste.